Hello students, welcome to Short Science classes. Welcome to Saurabh first classes. In our today's video, we are going to discuss some past year questions from IIT JAM Geology paper. IIT JAM Geology paper. We are going to discuss these questions today, and this is a very highlighted exam. Very demanding exam nowadays, so this is going to be very interesting to teach you all of something about geology, which is very interesting in its own self, and that's why we are here with some past year questions, and for you we will be solving it and giving you the full solutions of these questions. Along with that, we will give you step-by-step explanations as well. So everything is going to be covered in this video, whatever is required for all of you. So let's start the video and let's discuss the question first. So the first question is on your screens now. The correct chronological sequence, that is older to younger, of the Precambrian stratigraphic units listed below is Sargal group, Chitradurga group, Algar group, Camel group, or option B, Chitradurga group, Sargal group, Camel group, or Algar group. Option number C, Sargal group, Algar group, Chitradurga group, and Camel group. And option number D, it is Sargal group, Chitradurga group, Camel group, or Alvar group. So here it is asked that what about the Precambrian stratigraphic units? It is stratigraphic units. So 4 units have been given in different orders, and we have to arrange it in the correct sequence. Okay, so let us first make a table. It will be more easier for us to understand if we make a table first, and then we will continue with the procedure of how to solve this question. So let us make a table. Okay, so here we are writing on left column, we are writing stratigraphic units. That is Sargal group, then Chitradurga group, then we have Alvar group, then we have Camel group, and on this side we have geological ages. Geological ages. The first is the Skytos rock of Karnataka. Skytos rock of Karnataka, about 3,300 to 3,000 million years ago. The Chitradurga group, that is the Dharwar supergroup. Okay, Dharwar supergroup. Then Alvar group is in the Delhi supergroup. And Camel group is in the Vindhya super group. Okay, so the correct option to this question would be option number. Now first let me write down the sequence, then if it is like that, let me write the sequence. The correct sequence would be Sargal group, then the Chitradurga group, then we have the Camel group, and then we have the Alvar group, then Camel group. The correct sequence should be Sargal, Chitradurga, Alvar, and Camel. So according to this, the correct option would be option number A, that is Sargal group, Chitradurga group, Alvar group, and Camel group. So option A is correct, so we can write that option A is correct. Let's move to the next question. Which one of the following is produced by a closed system metamorphic reaction between muscovite and quartz? The options are orthoclase plus sillimanite, orthoclase plus biotite, plagioclase plus biotite, or is it plagioclase plus sillimanite? So, closed system metamorphic reaction with muscovite and quartz follows the orthoclase and sillimanite. These are well known for the closed system metamorphic reaction between muscovite and quartz. So the correct option to this question will be option number A, that is orthoclase plus sillimanite. So you can write that option A is correct. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, which one of the following changes when a dipping bed with a plunging lineation is rotated about a vertical axis? Dip amount of bed, plunge amount of lineation, plunge direction of lineation, or the strike of bed. So let's first prepare a table for solving this question. So we have to prepare a table. In the left column we are writing the terms, and here we are writing the remarks. So it is dip amount of bed. So its remark is, it is angle from 0 to 90 degree, that is horizontal to vertical bend. Then we have plunge amount. It is the angle between the horizontal plane and the axis or line of maximum elongation of a feature. So next will be plunge direction. So in my case it is in the direction. It is the direction, and then we have strike of bed. It is the direction of the bed, inclined bed intersects horizontal plane. So we have prepared the table, and according to this, the correct option of this question, that is dipping bed with a plunging lineation is rotated above vertical axis. The correct option will be option number C and D both, that is plunge direction of lineation and strike of bed. So C and D both will be correct answers. So multiple correct answers there. So C and D both are correct. So we can write that the correct options are C and D. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following indicates the presence of directed stress in a rock? For fibritic texture, schistosity, necessity, or myelonitic texture? So for this also we have to prepare a table, and then with the help of the table we'll have to find out the correct option. So let's make a table first. On the left hand side we'll write texture or structures it will be porphyritic textures. Then we have schistosity. Then we have mesosity, and then we have mylonitic texture. Mylonitic texture, against each we will write another column, that is stress directed. So for porphyritic texture, we will fractional crystallization. Fractional crystallization. Then we have direct stress with respect to the parallel of the grains. Then on necessity we have direct stress with respect to the parallel of the grains. And for mylonitic texture, it is again direct stress with respect to the parallel of the grain. So in three cases, that is in schistosity, mesosity or mylonitic texture, we have direct stress with respect to parallel of the grain. So the correct option to this question would be option number B, C and D. All the three will be correct options. So we can write that the correct options are B, C and D. B, C and D. So these are the correct options. So we can write the correct option to this question is B, C and D. So let's move to next question. So this is the next question we have on our screens now. Let's discuss this question first. The correct combinations of ranks and corresponding categories of stratigraphic units are formation, lithostratigraphy, system chronostratigraphy, period chronostratigraphy, or the group biostratigraphy. So first we have to make a table and then we have to answer the question. So here we'll write term and here we'll write the remarks. Okay. So in terms we have interval, zone, biozone. We have group, formation, member, bed. Then we have earthen, system, series, stage, zone. Three columns are here, three rows are here, and for each column we will have biostratigraphy. For this one we have lithostratigraphy, and for this one we have chronostratigraphy. So ranks of stratigraphy units are indicated in the following table. So we can write that both A and B are the correct option, that is formation lithostratigraphy and system chronostratigraphy. We can write A and B are correct options. Let's move to next question. The next question is, major mass extinction events occurred in the Ensilurian, in Carboniferous, in Permian or early Devonian. So again we have to look at a sequence. So we have to I will give a diagrammatic representation for this, that where mass extinction, major mass extinction in geological records. I will say major mass extinction in geological records. Geological records. So we have one by one we'll write Ordovician, then we have Silurian, then we have Devonian, then we have Carboniferous, then we have Permian. And it all came under one category, that is Paleozoic. Each of these. Okay. Then we have Triassic, we have Jurassic, we have Cretaceous. And all these came under Mesozoic. And we have one then the last we have Cenozoic, the last one. Okay, and here it is 490, here it is 434, then here it is 410, then here it is 354, then here it is 298, then here it is 251, then here it is 205, then it is 141, then it is 65. So this is the end of Ordovician, late Devonian, end Permian, end Triassic, this is K/T. These are all in millions of years, okay, millions of years. So you can see that at end Permian, the major mass extinction again occurred, end Permian. So option C will be correct option. So you can write that option C is correct. So in this video, we have discussed a lot of questions from past years of IIT JAM Geology, from recent years, not much past years, but it is from recent years. And I hope you all understood this, that whatever I have told or whatever I have explained you today. And still, if you have any kind of doubts in your mind, or still if you have any kind of queries in your mind, then feel free to call us or feel free to WhatsApp us. Contact us for any doubts. Your doubts will be cleared here at Success Classes. You can call us or you can WhatsApp us anytime, and our number is 9836793076, or you can also visit our website, that is www.saurabhsirclasses.com. After watching this video, a lot of thanks from my side. Thank you, students.